Morning, guys. It is Wednesday, January 27th, and we are starting China and Japan. So the first couple weeks will be in China, and then we'll be moving to Japan shortly thereafter. But like yesterday, you got to read a quick article about the Huang and Yangtze rivers of China and how they're going to make a huge impact in these next couple weeks. So they're super important. Today, we're going to be able to identify main ideas and details about the Tang and Song dynasties, which were the really early ones, for the time period that we're talking about. You probably have already learned about some previous dynasties, such as the Han dynasty or the Qin dynasty. You probably learned about those last year. We're moving past that, so we're kind of continuing. We're moving on. We'll have the do now. We'll have some notes and practice, and you can't see it, I don't think, but it is National Chocolate Cake Day. So if you're into that, go enjoy a slice. So for the do now, I just want you to pause the video and just give me like 3 to 5 qualities that you think make an effective leader. It doesn't need to be in complete sentences. You can just jot down 3 to 5 things that make a leader effective. So here are our notes today. I'm curious to see what you put for those qualities as well. Our first word today is dynasty. And this is just a line of hereditary rulers of a country. So that means that they are related. All the people that are in charge or that are ruling are related to each other. A bureaucracy is a system of government with many departments led by appointed officials. The United States is right in there with that, and we have many, many departments and bureaus. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, literally has the word bureau in it. We have like different Department of Recreation, Department of National Parks, Department of Homeland Security, Department. So all of those departments are appointed by typically the President of the United States. Commercial, again, this is a review word. This is just relating to the buying and selling of goods. We've seen this word numerous times, but I really want to keep reviewing it and banging it in your head. This is just a couple maps of the Tang Dynasty on the left. So this darker line here is or in the white, I'm sorry, the white is like the makeup of present day China. And then, so it shows you what the Tang Dynasty was, where the Tang Dynasty was within that. And then over here we have you'll see the Song Dynasty. You'll either have you'll see it spelled both ways, like Song or Sung. So just be prepared to see that, but it's this region. So, I mean, to be honest, the Tang Dynasty was much larger. All right, we're going to start reading, and then I will set you free after we answer these couple questions. For hundreds of years after the fall of the Han Dynasty, several kingdoms competed for power. The short-lived Sui Dynasty reunited China between 581 and 618. The next dynasty, the Tang, reigned for nearly 300 years. Tang rulers built a strong central government and expanded the nation's borders. Tang rule. The military leader Tang Gaozu, or Gaoju, sorry, founded the Tang Dynasty. He and his son led the armies that finished reunited China. His son became emperor in 626. Other strong rulers followed. Taizong made the government stable by reviving China's official bureaucracy. A bureaucracy is a system of government with many departments and bureaus led by appointed officials. Each official has a rank and fixed responsibilities. In setting up this bureaucracy, Taizong wanted to create a government that was efficient. The departments created under Taizong remained the core of Chinese government until the early 1900s. So we are going to, exit out so we can answer our questions together. So just go ahead and pause, and I want you to answer these two quick short answers that have to do with the text. If you need to review it, obviously it's right there on the slide, and then you have the larger PDF version as well. All right, number one, after the fall of the Han Dynasty, which new dynasty reunited China? That would be dynasty responsible. Remember, I'm complete sentences restating. Responsible for reuniting China was the Sui dynasty. And I could find that information. Sorry, this is being weird. Could find that information right here where it says the short-lived Sui dynasty reunited China between 581 and 618. So how did our emperor bring stability to the empire? He brought stability by creating a I always have trouble spelling this. Bureaucracy. Cool. So then you're just going to move on. It's not too much today because we're really going to dig deep in tomorrow with the examination system, which is kind of the first of its kind that we'll see. And so tomorrow's lesson is going to be a little bit more in depth. So you're just going to read about Chang'an, and then here is just a nice map for you. And then you're going to read about the Song dynasty quickly. And then you'll be all done. Make sure you do respond appropriately to the checklist, submit your slides, and fill out your attendance form for me today. Thanks, and I'm excited to dive deep into the examination system tomorrow with you. Bye, guys.